There is one thing common in all of us. All of us enjoy a good massage. What if I told you that you could use these massage techniques to massage your knee and relieve it of joint pain? In this episode, I am going to share with you the correct techniques and the various oils that you can use to get a good knee massage. First, understand when you should and you should not massage your knee. Do not massage your knee if it is particularly painful to touch, warm and red and swollen. But you can massage your knee when there is a dull, aching, deep pain which you have been having since quite some time now, and you feel that the muscles around your joint are tight and tired and fatigued. You can massage to relax the muscles around your joint and release your joint of its stiffness. Now, before you begin a massage, you need a lubricant to help your hands and fingers slide over the tissue that you want to massage. A commonly used lubricant can be a water-based jelly, such as a simple aloe vera gel. Another commonly used lubricant is oil. Now, a massage oil has two components, a carrier oil and an essential oil. A carrier oil is used to transfer the essential oil deep into the skin. Essential oils are not used directly because they are strong and can damage the skin because the skin is sensitive to such strong oils. So a carrier oil helps transfer the essential oil deep into the skin. A carrier oil commonly used are almond oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and others you can use are jojoba or amla oil. An essential oil has both medicinal properties as well as pain relieving properties. Now this oil needs to go somewhat deep so that you can experience some pain relief. Essential oils that you can commonly use are, number one is eucalyptus, which is the most commonly used, that is known as Nilgiri oil, which is commonly used all over India. Otherwise, you can also use lavender oil, peppermint oil, ginger oil, turmeric oil, frankincense, any essential oil which has pain relieving properties. You can also mix 2-3 oils and get a mixture of your own. Now, you need to mix 10 to 15 drops of an essential oil into 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil, and you can massage your knee with this mixture. Sit in a relaxed position with either your foot placed on a stool and a knee in front of you, or you can sit on a bed and fold your knee and place your foot on the bed so that your knee comes closer to you. Sit in such a position which you can sustain for 15 to 20 minutes. Now before you begin your massage, it is a good idea to apply a hot pack. A hot pack will relax the muscles around the joint and decrease the pain and make it more prepared to get manipulated during massage. Next, you need to know that where can you massage. So you should massage on the front of the thigh, just above the knee. On the back of the thigh, you can feel a muscle bulk over there, and you can feel the muscle bulk in the back of your legs. You can also massage around the kneecap, alright, and it's around and on top of the knee joint itself, that is on the sides of the kneecap. To massage, you can use the tips of your fingers, that is the spad of the fingers, or else you can also use the entire palm. You can use the outer border, the inner border, and the heel of the hand. You can also use the back of the fingers, the back of the palm, or you can use the knuckles on muscular parts where you want to apply slightly deeper pressure. Besides your hand, you can use a rolling pin. Otherwise, you can use an acupressure roller. You can also use a foam roller and massage for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, during the massage, use the tips of your fingers to perform circular motions around the patella, that is around the kneecap, that is the bony part of your joint. Alright, then use the palms of your hands to glide over the tissues in the front of the thigh, in the back of the thigh, and the back of the leg. And you can also, if it is particularly tight and rope like, or you feel there are some knots, you can use the knuckles to manipulate those knots. Massage for around 10 to 15 minutes. After you have completed your massage, make sure to do some free exercises. Free exercises are exercises in which you simply move your joints without any body weight or external weight. For example, just lie down straight and fold and straighten your leg from the knee joint and move your foot, that is pump your foot at the ankle joint. Bring your foot inside and outside, and or else sit on a high chair and dangle your feet for a while. Alright, after performing these free exercises, you can take a short period of rest. So that's it. I covered all the important points that you need to keep in mind before you perform a knee massage. All of you who perform this massage and find it helpful in relieving your pain, please type in the comments below and let me know if you found this information useful. If you wish to receive more such information to help you relieve your knee joint pain, then subscribe to my channel. Until then, see you in the next video.